Vitamin E capsule comes in different colors, but what a lot of you don't know is that each color signifies or targets a particular skin concern. If you're looking forward to treat hyperpigmentation, sunburn, or uneven skin tone, or you want to glow your skin, each color targets those concerns. And using the wrong color of vitamin E capsule might end up darkening your skin, or you might not even see any result at all. On this video, we're going to be talking about the different colors: the red, the pink, the orange, the golden color, the maroon, and the different ingredients that they contain, like the kojic acid, the vitamin C, the aloe vera, that is going to help you target different skin concerns ranging from your hyperpigmentation, sunburn, and the rest. Before we dive into that, please kindly like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips if you're yet to. The first color of the vitamin E capsule we're going to be talking about is the pink color. Pink color is specially formulated for people with dry skin. If you're battling with dryness on your skin or skin flakiness, this particular pink one is going to help you. You want to watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use it and the dosage that you need in order to tackle that skin concern. The next color we're going to be talking about, guys, is the yellow color vitamin E capsule. This particular one is going to help to brighten your skin because it contains vitamin C and aloe vera in it. It's going to help to brighten your skin and remove dullness on your skin. The orange color still contains the vitamin C and aloe vera, but this particular one is specially formulated for people that has normal to dry skin. It's going to help to brighten your skin, and it's also going to help reduce the signs of aging on your skin. It's also going to help to unclog your pores. The golden color vitamin E capsule is specially formulated for light skinned people. If you are suffering from hyperpigmentation or dark under eye, this particular one is for you. It is going to help to even out your skin tone. It's going to help you tackle hyperpigmentation and remove every form of dullness on your skin. The next color of vitamin E capsule we're going to be talking about is the green color. This particular color helps to tackle skin concerns like acne. The green vitamin E capsule is the way to go, guys. It's going to help to shrink out your acne and also help to reduce the rate at which you break out. The sixth vitamin E capsule we're going to be talking about is the blue one. This particular one helps to repair your skin. If you're battling with skin damage, or you want to repair your skin, or you have a compromised skin barrier, this particular blue one is going to help to repair your skin and rejuvenate your skin. The seventh and the last one I have here with me is the red vitamin E capsule, and this particular one contains collagen. If anti-aging is what you want to target in your skin concern, then this red one is for you. It's going to help to improve skin elasticity, and it's also going to help to slow down the rate at which your skin is aging. Now, I told you guys that at the end of this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the vitamin E capsule. And the question I get from a lot of people is, can I mix the vitamin E capsule in my body lotion? The answer is yes, you can, but let me teach you how to do it. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to get a body lotion. Let's assume you're using a 250 ml body lotion. You're going to get a separate container, a cup container if possible, or you can just get a different container entirely, but using a cup container is preferable. Okay, so you're going to share your body lotion into two. You're going to share it into two halves. Now you're going to keep the other half, then the other half that you poured into a cup container. What you're going to do is, let's assume that your body lotion is 250 ml and you're able to put in, let's say, 115 ml into the cup container. You're going to take like pieces of the vitamin E capsule. All you need to do is to puncture it, or you just use a small scissors to open the vitamin E capsule and press the liquid into it. The mistake I see a lot of people do is they just count the capsules and they pour it into their creams. Your cream will even finish and the capsule will not even open or burst open. And that oil that is inside the capsule is what does the main work. Okay, you need puncturing that capsule and opening it and pouring the liquid into it is the best way to go if you want to see results. Do not pour in your vitamin E capsule into the body lotion, and don't pour in the whole of your lotion. You're going to share it into two halves and then you pour like at least 10. In some cases you can pour 15. It's very okay. 10 to 15 capsule, puncture and pour the liquid, and then you mix it very well and then you apply on your body. It's not going to make your cream go bad. In fact, if you're into all those mixing and all that, if you add vitamin C to your mixed lotions, it's going to help them to even last longer without going bad. And another way you can use your vitamin E capsule, especially for those who are suffering from hyperpigmentation, if you want to use it for anti-aging, you can use it as your oil to lock in moisture. After applying your face cream or your face moisturizer, you can layer with your vitamin E oil directly on your face, okay, without mixing it with anything. You can just puncture a particular one and then you can just use a little drop of it. Don't use all, and then you can apply it all over your face. It's going to help to improve your skin elasticity, brighten your skin, depending on the one you want to go with. If you're going with the green one, the one that tackles acne, you can also apply it on your face and it's going to help you reduce the appearance of your acne and shrink all those pimples that you have on your face. That brings us to the end of this video. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, you guys. And if you're yet to subscribe, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. See you guys in our next video. Bye.